Hello, welcome back to our weekly planning. My name is Marco and we're going to talk about volume profile, market profile, VWAPs, flow, notable info, important POI, and lastly, we're going to attach some attachment that I will also put it on Twitter. Okay, today is 21st of July. Okay, so after a huge rally, we're finally break another all-time highs, currently on 123,000 and being forcefully put back into range. So we're gonna talk about volume profile for a bit. We see here I put some dynamic volume profile. We have lots of volume here and lots of volume here, but if we trace back, it's probably gonna go on here. Okay, so short term, with the help of our fixed volume profile, I'm just gonna put it here. We're now in the range from 116.8 to 119.3. Okay, let's see. This was on 11th of July. Okay, 11 July to now. Volume profile has volume profile of value area low on 116.3K and value area high on 119.3. Oh, 16.8. 16.3K. Okay. So this is actually are gonna be our first reaction if any price occurs here. So we see there's a clean boundaries between the value area low and value area high. Got rejected here. We go lower. Got rejected back on the POC, developing POC. We went back and take out these highs. Got rejected again. We went into the range, the value area, go into the value area low, tap, and then we go back again. So until it's proven otherwise, we're going to think this as a range with extreme reactions on both sides, like the failure high and failure low. Okay. So market profile, we have a daily composite here. Actually, if we think about it, with some minor market context, this should be a one huge composite value area. So I think it's safe to assume that this is some kind of anomaly because by the rules of composite, you still need to have like 50% of the body overlapping with each other. But here, we don't have those kind of things, right? So I'm guessing it's actually fair to include it as part of our composite, actually. But before, we're gonna have some kind of notables here. This is 14th of July. 14 July failure high. Okay, that's gonna be some kind of POI that I want to look for if there's an extreme case of rotation. Okay, I'm gonna merge it. Then we're gonna merge it again here. Yep, and now we're big enough to have some kind of composites. Oops. Okay, merge it. And we still haven't tapped this area, which is also my POI. Single prints is always a POI to have our initial reactions. Gonna add this as well, merge it, and merge it. So we are from 11 July to 21st, almost 10 days. Oh, actually it's 10 days, 10 days composites with our value area high on 119.3. It's corresponds with our volume profile and value area low on 117. Okay, so we have 10 days composite VA from 11 July to 20 with value area low on 117 and value area high on 119.3. Okay, align with our VP. Okay, so we have those. And if we want a short term, actually, after this imbalance, right, we have a balance set, imbalance, back into the range after the imbalances, and we now have another range. So if we think about it, we have here, let's see another POI here still. Okay, we have SP on 115.2k and 114 to 114.1k. This is a 10 days composite, and actually I want to see if we can gonna split for a bit. Reset a merge. Okay, I want to see if we can merge all of this and see if we also have an overlapping POI that we can use as a better confluence. So this should be a 5 days confluence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 5 days composite. Okay, 5 days composite. We also have overlapping. Another overlapping. We have 5 days composite VA from 16 July to 20th of July with val on 117.5 5k and value area high on 119.2. So basically it's more or less the same. So we really have a strong confluence here. It's a 5 days VA, it's a 10 days VA, and also in volume profile wise, it's also a value area high, right? It's 119. If we're about to see, we also have, let's see, let me check for real quick. That is let's see, this is 17 and 18. Okay, 17 and 18. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is also quite near to each other. So if we have some kind of first POC by structure wise, I think we might reach here, like this area. To be fair, I don't really know how people determine equal highs, but if the price is like close to each other, they might, some of them might say it's a equal high or lows, but for some people it needs to be like precise, like 1 to 1. For example, it's like this and this, so equal highs. But for some people, if they are overlapping with each other, like some with some minor differences across near time, they still call it, some of them they still call it these equal highs or lows. So I don't really know, but for me this is actually some kind of POI in market structure wise, because we have some kind of overlapping highs near each other. This is equal highs, this is almost equal highs. Okay. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, we're going for VWAPs. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, anchor VWAPs and VWAPs. VWAPs. Wait for a minute. Okay. Okay, so our currently quarterly VWAP, which is actually monthly VWAP because this is still the first month into the quarter, we're finally unable to break through. Like after this, we see that this is very ranging, and afterwards an explosive impulse back into the range, and we're clinging with the extreme band with the thoughts of we're gonna grind higher, right? But in reality, we went back into the extreme band, still clutching into the extreme side, but we see that in some cases, like this one, we almost close lower than intended. Because what will happen if we were to close lower than this, I'm expecting we gonna rotate to this part, like on the 114k. Or in extreme case, we're gonna extreme rotate into the value area low, which is on 19.3. But until then, we're gonna have some kind of minor range here, which is I'm expecting we are gonna grind again and take out this highs, these highs, like bad highs. Okay, on VWAP wise, quarterly VWAP still looks good. Actually, yearly VWAP definitely looks good. We are way above the extreme band. Okay, so current yearly VWAP definitely looks good. We are way above our extreme band +1, but quarterly VWAP a bit in gray area because we're from the previous we are currently in trouble of compressing near our extreme band, but also we are taking time after the impulsive move in back into range. So until times further, I'm not gonna say much, but it's still bullish, market structure wise and also price wise. Okay, flow. Let's see our flow for a bit. Oh yeah, it's Ethereum is rallying and leading the price right now. So by all people standard, it should be some kind of small alt season, but I don't really know that much. Okay, price looks good actually. Yep, price looks good. There's some kind of longs getting liquidated here, which triggers the lows of the day, like yesterday. But we also have some kind of shorts getting liquidated here. So I'm not gonna say that something much about this. We are also not yet in the New York session, so flow wise it looks good. After after we have some kind of divergence here, it's flat, but we are killing it. So it's perp driven here. Okay. I forgot to put some attachment. Wait for it. Attachment. We have some kind of attachment here. Don't forget, merge it. Merge. Okay. It should merge. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna add it as well. Our attachment. Okay, that's our attachment. Flow looks good. Support, still supported by spot. Info, notable info, we have unemployment claims on 24th. We have unemployment deployment claims on 24th of July. Okay, and then important POI mostly towards extreme rotation here. So we have vol. Okay. Notable reactions on 119K and on 117K, around that area. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. It's a quick wiki planning. Until we have another rally, I expect another rotation on the extremes. Okay, but if we fail to move, like if we have a breakthrough here, I'm expecting it gets taken. But if we have a breakdown on here, I'm expecting this single prince to have some kind of reaction. But if not, we're gonna have a rotation lower. Okay, what lower? Probably around this part. Okay, that's about it. Okay, I'll see you in next week.